back into mountain pose. All right, great job. We're gonna move to a plank. We've got lots of modifications here. You can do a plank with your hands on the chair. You can use a pad for your knees, or you can do a plank on the ground with blocks or hands flat on the ground. Once you have your plank, start alternating, lifting the left and then the right leg. So left leg goes up, and then right leg goes up. So moving back and forth in this. And if this is challenging enough for you, this is what you're going to do. If you want to add a little bit more to this, lift the opposite hand into a row as the other leg goes up. And we'll start that right now. So left leg is up, right arm squeezes in, right leg up, left arm squeezes in. Make sure to exhale as you row. And this is challenging, but it's a really good way for you to strengthen your core and strengthen your back and your shoulders at the same time. One more to each side. All right, back into plank.